Welcome back to my channel Maison Dor Network with me Dior Shaari. Now I have my friend which is Alex will help me to install this what we call this Swiss Thomas white pot 20 cm that I bought from Shopee the other day. Okay, jom. The screw. This is just on the spot do. We'll never practice anything. Never open it. So, oh yeah. Let me see the screw. Oh, how you do that? Inside? Oh, okay. Tighten, make it tighten. Okay, done. Oh, the top one. So this one is not plastic, yeah? It's supposed to be metal or the silver, but it's just a plastic. Well, the price is like that, probably. Hopefully, will not. This is just impromptu, but you already know how to do it. Oh, okay. Fine. Done? Let me see. Wait, okay. This one. Oh, good. Because when I bought this one, this actually not really how to say? If I do, it will not be good. So that's why I asked my friend to do. So thank you very much, Alex. Okay, Alex, say bye bye. Bye.